Hi, in the earlier video you learned to count numbers from 1 to 10. In this video you will learn to count numbers from 11 till 20. Here I will start with counting an object like a pin in this example. Let me bring 10 pins first. You already know how to count from 1 to 10. So I will not repeat it. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 pins. We have total 10 pins. Now I will take all these 10 pins and group them together. So in the left hand side we have individual 10 pins, and on the right hand side we have 10 pins in a group. Both the sides have equal number of pins, as you can see. But only difference is that in the left hand side we have kept pins individually, and on the right hand side they are in a group. So what did you observe from this activity? All the individual items or pins are called as ones. So in the left hand side we have 10 ones, and when we club any 10 items together then we call it tens. As you can see, we have 110 in the right side picture. This means that 10 ones is equal to 110. Remember this. Let us learn little more about ones and tens. I will draw a simple table. In the heading I have number, then number of tens and ones in this number. Ones and tens are nothing but place value in a number. Place value shows value of any digit in a number. Let us learn this by few examples. Let us take number 10 first. As you can see, we have 0 at 1's place and we have 1 at 10's place. Or in the number 10 we have 110 and 0 ones. Remember this. It's going to be very useful in next examples. Also remember one more point, that while counting numbers we always increase one's value. We directly do not increase tens value. Now we keep on adding more pins. See how number of pins changes as we add more pins. Then ones and tens value will also change. Also see how the number is written in English here. Okay, so I add one more pin. Now we have total 11 pins. See on the left hand side here. Refer the table also. In 11 we have 1 at 10's place and 1 at 1's place. Also see 11 is written in English. We will add one more pin. Now we have 12 pins. See on the left how 12 is written, and we are going to refer the table also. You can see that in number 12 we have 1 at 10's place and 2 at 1's place. Notice carefully, we are only increasing value of ones. Same way, for 13 we have 3 at 1's place and 1 at 10's place, and this is how 13 is written in English. I will move on and see how we increased number of ones in 14. So now we have 4 at 1's place and 1 at 10's place in number 14. Same way we will add one more pin so that the total number of pins will be 15. Refer the table. In 15 we have 5 at 1's place and 1 at 10's place. I will again tell to pay attention to how numbers are increasing at ones place. Same way, look at number 16, 17, 18 and 19. Notice here carefully, after 10 we are increasing only ones place value. Now let us refer the numbers on left hand side. Notice carefully, after 10 we are increasing, see here, only ones place value. Like in 11 we have 1 at ones place, and in 12 we have 2 at ones place, in 13 we have 3 at ones place, in 14 we have 4 at ones place, and same way it goes on increasing till 19. So at 19 we have 9 at ones place. Now we see the series again. After 9 we have 10. See how the number changes. After 9 we have 10, and this 10 ones is nothing but equal to 110. Okay, remember 10 ones is equal to 110. So when we count after 19, then we increase tens place by value 1. I will write 19 here. So after 19, this 9 will become 10. So we are increasing tens value by 1. So this 9 will become 0, and this place at tens place we already have 1, and now we have one more 1, that is 1 and 1, 2. So after 19, 20 will come. Here we go, we can see after 19 there is 20, and see how 20 is written in English. Again, now we have total 20 pins. We already moved these 10 pins to the right side of the slide. Now let us move these 10 pins to the right side of the slide. Okay. Now we have another group of 10 pins. We already know that 10 pins or 10 ones is equal to 110. Let me write it down. 10 ones is equal to 110. So on the right hand side we have this as 110, and at the bottom again we have 110. So on the right hand side we have 1 and 1, that is 2 tens. I will move to next slide. See how we counted from 1 till 20 and place value of each number. Also observe how the numbers are changing at 10 and 20. You can pause here for a few seconds and see number of tens and ones in these 10 numbers from 11 till 20. Hope you understood how to count numbers till 20. In my next video, I will speak more about counting numbers. Thanks for watching.